This time we're reading There's a Monster in Your Book, written by Tom Fletcher. Oh no! There's a monster in your book. Let's try to get him out. Shake the book and turn the page. Nice try. That knocked him over, but look, he's still in your book. Tickle his feet and turn the page. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Oh, that didn't work. He's just laughing, and he's still in your book. Try blowing him away. Blow really hard and turn the page. That's better. Now he's far away, but he's still in your book. Tilt the book to the left. Now he's over here, but he's still in your book. Tilt the book to the right. He's hanging on. What a naughty little monster. Give the book a good wiggle. Good. Now he's back over there, but there's still a monster in your book. Try spinning the book round and round. Woo! Look, he's dizzy. Quick, make a loud noise. Help me make a loud noise. It's working. He's running away. Make that loud noise again, but louder. Make it again, but louder. He's gone. There isn't a monster in your book anymore. Now he's in your room. Quickly, call him back. Monster, come back. Look, here he is. He's coming back. Keep calling him. Monster, come here, little monster. Phew, he's back in your book. You don't want a monster loose in your room. The book is probably the best place to keep him. Monster, you can stay here in this book. Pet Monster's head and say goodnight. Good night, Monster. Willow wanted to say hello. Willow, would you like to come say hello? Say hello. Bye, friends. See you at the next story.